1 month ago, I made this video to show you that the Good Lock by Samsung has finally made its way to Play Store. Now, of course, this wasn't really a full celebration because it was only available to selected countries, right? So not every user out there with a Google account and Play Store and a Samsung phone would have gotten access to the Samsung Good Lock, but at least the intention was clear. Samsung were finally to kind of like roll out Good Lock to a wider audience, and this is actually quite nice. Good Lock is very powerful. I did tons of videos about Good Lock. You can just go on my channel, search for Good Lock, and you can dive deep also how to skip the geo restrictions and etc. But when I said geo restriction, yes, Good Lock doesn't really operate everywhere, right? For example, in my country, I'm not able to download it, just go on the Samsung store and boom, download it. No. So I have to use other methods. Now, 1 month ago, we had this good news. So the Good Lock, as you can see here, was finally in Play Store, but something happened, and apparently Good Lock was then pulled off. And I just recently found out, just now, this article by Sam Lover, that apparently they removed it, which I was not aware. Users reported that if you want to go right now and search for Good Lock, right, and you just click on the link, by the way, it's not going to be there. I also have the link here in my original video, so boom, yeah, we're sorry, nothing. Right, and just today there is something, guys, that came over here to Sam Lover, and also I saw it on Twitter. I cannot confirm the authenticity, but I think it's just important, so I decided to do this short video. Apparently there's this thing where the Good Lock team themselves are saying, hey, hello, this is us, the Good Lock development team. Firstly, thank you for your continued interest and use of Good Lock. It's our team's main goal to listen and reflect the vetted feedback of our customer and make Good Lock more convenient to use. Currently, Good Lock's Play Store release work is under progress. So far, I think nothing fishy. It is much more than just a simple app release, which requires reviewing and optimization of various elements. Therefore, we're not out of the testing stage yet. Well, this kind of makes sense because also in my original video, the way I show it, guys, it was really just with early access. So even if you would have gone on the original link, right, and it was really early access. Now, I think it only gets interesting from here because they say, the previous incident of unofficial release on the Play Store for a brief moment of time was during pre-testing. Due to this, even though the service was exposed temporarily, it was immediately switched to private. So kindly try to understand. The upcoming launch on Play Store marks a new leap forward for Good Lock, and we look forward to this as an opportunity to spread our service among more Galaxy users. In a galaxy far, far away. We will inform you again, and as soon as a specific release schedule is confirmed, the Good Lock team will always strive to provide better service. Thank you. And oh my god, where should I start, guys? Like, first, this is really lame. Incidents happen. I don't even think, even if that happened, like, don't label it as an incident. Again, I cannot confirm this being authentic, but I just do believe that Samsung should do a better way of managing this, because Good Lock is probably one of the sweetest things that you can do with One UI, and there are plenty of other sweet things, but probably Good Lock can be really like the cherry on the top of this. So again, Samsung, please pay more attention to the way you manage it. I really hope that the Good Lock release will get the necessary level of attention because it's really truly amazing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. VST over and bye.